Welcome to English News for Beginners. On this channel, we explain trending news in simple English. Please use this video to improve your English skills.
Today's topic is why Iran matters for global oil.
Recently, tensions between the United States and Iran increased again. The US sent more military ships to the Middle East. Iran warned that it could respond strongly.
Some experts say that if fighting starts, oil prices may go up. But why does war affect oil prices?
That's today's big question. Let's break it down step by step.
First, where is Iran?
Iran is in the Middle East. It is close to the Persian Gulf. Next to Iran is a very important place called the Strait of Hormuz.
The Strait of Hormuz is a narrow sea route. Many oil tankers pass through this area every day.
About 20% of the world's oil passes through this small area. That is 1 out of every 5 barrels of oil.
So if something happens there, the world feels it.
Now, let's answer the main question. Why does war push oil prices higher?
There are 3 main reasons. First is supply risk. Il faut starten may stop.
Oil fields can be damaged. Workers may leave. Shipping routes may close.
If supply decreases but demand stays the same, prices go up. This is basic economics.
Second is fear. Even if oil is not stopped, traders may worry.
Investors buy oil futures because they expect prices to rise. This increases demand in the financial market.
When many people buy at the same time, prices move higher.
Third is the Strait of Hormuz. Iran has said before that it could block this route.
If the strait closes, oil from Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and the UAE cannot move easily.
This would shock the global economy.
So what happens if oil prices rise?
Gasoline becomes more expensive. Airline tickets may cost more. Food prices can also increase because transportation costs rise.
Countries like Japan, which import most of their oil, feel strong pressure.
Higher oil prices can also increase inflation.
The US and Iran have had a difficult relationship for many years.
There were nuclear deal talks in the past. There were also sanctions.
When tensions rise, markets react quickly.
Even one missile attack or military action can move oil prices in minutes.
In the past, when conflict increased in the Middle East, oil prices jumped.
For example, during past wars in the region, prices rose sharply.
Sometimes prices rise 5% or even 10% in one day.
But if the conflict ends quickly, prices may fall again.
Investors watch 3 things carefully.
First, military movement. Second, statements from leaders. Third, shipping activity in the Strait of Hormuz.
If tankers stop moving, that is a big warning sign.
Let's summarize.
Iran matters because it is close to a key oil route.
War creates supply risk and fear.
Less supply plus strong demand means higher prices.
And higher oil prices affect the whole world.
Now, let's review today's keywords. Tension, supply, demand, inflation, sanctions, strait. This was English News for Beginners.
If this helped your English, please like and follow.
See you in the next simple news story.